In this video, you'll be learning how to easily fix the GPU is missing on the Task Manager here in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, and then scroll up and click on the Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together, and in that way you would be able to open up the Task Manager. Okay. And from here, once you are here at the task manager, expand it first and navigate to this left pane. And if no options are showing here, just click on these three lines here. And in that way, you would be able to bring up this list of the option. So please locate with processes. And from here, you can see a table like this. Just navigate to the name here, make a right click, and go with the GPU. Okay, GPU, which is network. So as you can see that the GPU is not showing here. In order to show it, make a right click, go with GPU, and in that way you would be able to fix the GPU which is missing in your task manager. It's now showing this time and you can now track the GPU of the particular application that you have in your Windows. Okay, close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.